Now that you have gifted yourself a brand new iPhone 16, be sure to wrap the device in a protective shield. Though the Apple claims that the Apple 16 series is more durable, do not take the device for granted. Considering the fact that there is always a risk of accidental drops or scuffs, go for a trusted safeguard right from the onset. On this very note, follow along to explore the best cases for the iPhone 16 series. First off, I would like to highlight the Pearlite sleek case. If you are looking for a sleek iPhone 16 series case, I would recommend you to check out the Pearlite sleek case. Made out of the soft TP material, the Pearlite sleek case sports a snug fit design, features precise cutouts, and wraps around the edges of the iPhone. Courtesy of the strong frame and the grippy texture, it feels pretty comfortable in the palm, works with the Qi wireless chargers, and can even fight at minor drops. Better still, you can pick the Pearlite Slim case in multiple colorways. Next up, it's time to talk about AI Clear Case. For times when you want your iPhone to stay in the limelight without putting much effort, a clear case comes into play. For this exact reason, I have handpicked the AI Clear Case. Boasting a pretty lightweight and clear design, it has the quality to let your smartphone shine through with a desired elegance. Beyond the transparent profile, the case also features the needed cushion to endure shock and resist scuffs, due mainly to the shock-absorbing TPU construction fortified by the cushioned corners. Then I would like to talk about Renault luxurious wallet case. Are you hunting for a classic wallet case for your iPhone 16 series? If your answer is yes, why not give a chance to the high quality leather wallet case from Renault? The biggest selling point of this case is the high quality leather profile with a precision finish and multiple pockets for carrying cards as well as cash. Another feature that makes it the right travel case is the detachable design that allows you to remove the bulk and turn the wallet cover into a pretty slim and compact case. And now it's time to highlight the Renmo kickstand case. Whether you are a movie buff, a casual gamer, or someone who loves the flexibility of a built-in stand for a hands-free experience, the Renmo kickstand case should appeal to your taste. Flaunting a clear design, the Renmo case gives freedom to the iPhone to showcase the profile while also making sure the style cushion doesn't come at the cost of protection thanks to the rugged frame, fortified corners, and durable back. As for the built-in stand, it can be entrusted to let your iPhone 16 stand securely in multiple orientations. Then I would like to highlight the Spec Candy Cell Slim case. For folks who are after a pretty slim yet impact-resistant case, Spec Candy Cell is the one that can be a nice pick, showcasing a slim design. With a matte finish, the case doesn't take long to win your attention. Add to that the neat cutouts and the clicky buttons. It seems to have taken care of the all basics. Now, talking about the protection from shock and scuffs, it won't disappoint you in keeping those villains at a fair distance. The dual-layer construction with the raised edges empowers the case to endure up to 8 feet of drops, which is yet another big plus. And now I would like to take your attention to the VRS design of wallet case. If the vintage wallet cases don't appeal to your taste, I would recommend you check out the VRS design of wallet case. Unlike the classic wallet covers, it sports a lightweight design for a modern look. The compact profile aside, the biggest highlight of this case is the hidden space that offers the desired flexibility to store a couple of cards. Not just that, the case also comes with a built-in stand designed to let you watch videos and play games with the maximum convenience. Combine that with the shock-absorbing frame as well as the cushion corners, and it looks like a worthy contender for your needs. And finally, I would like to talk about Kate Spade Designer Case. Equipped with an eye-catching profile, Kate Spade is the sort of case that you would love to have, especially when style caution becomes the top priority. What puts it in an altogether different league is the availability of a wide range of patterns. That means you have more freedom to find a designer case that can get along nicely with your iPhone 16 series. Well, if you think that this good-looking case would be too delicate to endure shock, you can't be more wrong. The Kate Spade designer case can survive up to 12 feet of drops. Taking everything into account, the Kate Spade designer case deserves to be rated as one of the best cases for the iPhone 16 series in the market right now. And that's pretty much it. So these are the best cases and covers for the brand new iPhone 16 series. Hopefully you have found my picks up to the mark. Now that we have known my top picks, it's time to share your favorites, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy roundups. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.